Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video we are going to talk about how to use limit and offset together in SQL. So let's begin. So before starting the video, I'll just give you a brief that I'm using dbeaver software, which is an open source software for SQL, and also I'm using MariaDB database at the backend. So let's connect with the database first. So before that, I'm going to write show databases and I'll select the command like this and then run it. At the bottom you'll see that I have databases and my tables are in sample DB. So I'll just write sample DB, select the row and run it. It is connected. Now show tables, select the row and run it. And you will see that there are 3 tables in sample DB database, which is stored in MariaDB software. Okay, so there are 3 tables: departments, employees and projects. So let's pull all the data from department table. So for that I'll write select star. Star means all rows and all columns. Select star from, the table name is departments, and I'll select this and run it, and you will see that we are inside departments table and it contains 4 rows and 2 columns. Now let's use limit. I want only 2 rows at a time whenever the command runs. That is why limit is used. Limit the data to 2 rows, and then offset 1. Offset 1 means that give me data after first row, but whenever you give, only give 2 rows at a time. So I'll select the entire command here and run it, and you will see that we are only given marketing and finance. But if I run the first line, this one, the all data, it has engineering, marketing, finance and HR. So that means it is only giving me 2 rows but skipping the engineering one, like this. Now let's do one thing. Let's offset 2. That means engineering, the first 2 rows will be skipped and the last 2 rows will be given, right? Select the command, run it, finance and HR. And what was our entire database? Select this row, finance and HR, the last 2 rows. So basically this limit and offset together is used to get a pagination in the data table. I want to skip first 100 rows, give me from 101 to 200. So in that case, limit 100, offset 100. 100 will be the first row. So offset means skip these number of rows and give me the next 2 rows. This is the meaning of limit and offset together. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please subscribe it and enjoy. Thank you very much.